Welcome back to the Tech Shack, to another low quality video. But what exactly is the Tech Shack? Well, it's my little piece of Amish blasphemy. I purchased a prefab Amish cabin and converted it to my home office and Homelab. We feature videos focusing on long-range Wi-Fi, tech reviews, builds, Homelab projects, TechShack upgrades, and much more.
And a little AI sprinkled in. Now, Jordo writes all the content himself, but he's a bit of a mush mouth sometimes. So he will write a script on a project and tag me in to dictate it. Primarily when there are a lot of details and he wants to make sure nothing is missed. Or I might pop in briefly when he realizes he forgot something during the edit. I mean, as a world-renowned actor, I can do it in one take and save him a ton of time and be concise with the wording. I also help out on artwork from time to time, as Jordo's skills in GIMP are not really cutting it. But if you're into home labbing, driver hackery, self-hosted AI, and general tech content, give us a like and subscribe. The only tech channel and IT services company ran out of an Amish cabin. Most likely anyway, I haven't really checked, but I'd assume so.